Well, just over 11% of Tennesseans were uninsured in 2020. That's more than 700,000 residents, a number which would be much lower if, like other states, Tennessee had chosen to accept funds from the Affordable Care Act. But a majority of state lawmakers here could never get behind that idea, and that's where health clinics come in to fill the gap. And Zaria Oates profiles one of them tonight.
If you don't have insurance, that's no problem, because whether you need a primary care physician, social worker, even AA services, the Wellness and Stress Clinic of Memphis has you covered.
Medication prescriptions, medication refills, we can do physicals, we can do some basic laboratory work, we can do some screening for mental health illnesses and mental health disorders. We can provide them services through like social work where they may need food, utility assistance.
In the spring of 2017, I was put in contact with Bishop William Young and his wife, Pastor Diane Young, through a local foundation that I was doing some work with, and they were very interested in starting a free primary care clinic.
And just 1 year later,
yeah, it's 100% free.
The Wellness and Stress Clinic opened its free services to the public. While funding is a huge portion of keeping the clinic running, patients never pay a dime.
We work hard to try to access grant funding and to try to raise money locally amongst Memphis, but for all of our clients when they come in, there's no charge. And so if they want to see a primary care physician, there's no charge. If they want to see a social worker, there's no charge. If they want to see somebody in mental and behavioral health, all of those services are completely free.
The clinic is open for appointments and walk-ins Monday evenings, with goals to accommodate more patients in the future.
So our goal is to be able to provide care to as many people in the surrounding area who has a need for health care, that we are able to provide them services uninterrupted.
The clinic is working on being able to open its doors multiple days a week. In Oak Haven, I'm Zaria Oates.